Cake one out. Cake one is out. I'll be back. This is the first layer. Y'all, I'm about to go to work and I should be going to bed. I'm about to go to work. When I mean work on this cake. When I took my cake out just to put it on top and it didn't break or nothing, I'll be back. That's the perfect masterpiece. The perfect masterpiece, y'all. Listen, listen, listen. Y'all see this? Are y'all ready for this? Y'all not ready though. Hey, I'll be back though. I'll be back. So this is my first time making the strawberry crunch cake. What do y'all think? How do y'all think I did? Don't come for me, y'all. Not too much on me. I tried.